Hey there. Ever seen those YouTube channels that kids just can't stop watching? Bright colors, catchy songs, fun stories, they're like digital candy for kids around the world. And the crazy part? These channels rack up billions of views every single month. With those views comes serious ad revenue. We're talking millions of dollars per month, just from YouTube ads. Take this channel, for example, it's earning up to $7 million per month, and that's not even including merch or sponsorships. Now, a few years ago, creating something like this would have taken a big team, songwriters, animators, voice actors, editors, the whole package. And let's be real, hiring all those pros? Super expensive. But today, AI has completely changed the game. You can now create high-quality animated kids videos from scratch with almost zero budget. In fact, the video you're watching right now, it took me just a few minutes to make, and it didn't cost a thing. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around. I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Step 1. Get your video idea. Everything starts with a simple idea. Don't worry if you're not feeling creative, AI can help with that too. I just asked ChatGPT for animated song video ideas, and boom, it gave me a bunch of great ones in seconds. I picked one called the Color Train song and asked ChatGPT to write the lyrics and a script. Done in less than a minute. Step 2. Plan your scenes. Once I had the lyrics, I told ChatGPT to break down the video into scenes. It gave me clear, detailed descriptions of each part, perfect for generating visuals later. A quick tip here, make sure each prompt includes the full setting or your scenes might come out inconsistent. Step 3. Create the animations. Next up, animations. I used an AI video tool called Hailuo, which gives new users 1 day of free unlimited generations. There are others like Runway, Pika, and Kling, but Hailuo worked great for this example. All I did was copy and paste the scene prompts from ChatGPT into the tool. It lets you queue up to 3 prompts at once, which saves a ton of time. A few minutes later, my animated clips were ready to download. Clean, no weird glitches, and totally on point. Step 4. Make the music, not a singer? No problem. I used Suno AI to generate the music. Just paste in the lyrics from ChatGPT, choose a music style, also generated with AI, and hit create. I got 2 versions of the song and picked the one that fit best. I think the first one is catchy, right? Step 5. Edit your video. Now it's time to bring it all together. I used CapCut to edit everything. It's simple and perfect for projects like this. I dropped in the animation clips, synced them with the song, and exported the final video. And just like that, it's done. Here's the final result.
Choo-choo goes the color train, rolling down the bright red lane. Here comes a red caboose, oh wow, and look, a red fox jumps aboard now. Colors, colors everywhere, on the train and in the air. Hop on board, come join the ride. Let's see what colors next inside. Choo-choo goes the color train through a field of yellow grain. Here comes a yellow coach, hooray! A yellow duck joins into play. Colors, colors everywhere.
Pretty amazing, right? All created using free AI tools with no animation experience, no music skills, and no big budget. If you found this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, and hit subscribe for more step-by-step breakdowns like this. I'm here to help you build automated income streams using the power of AI. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.